Ooh, a box from UPS. Let's see what we got. Who needs a knife? Oh, yes. More bags to go here. I always need these laundry bags. These are great to use. I'll have links to these down below. I love these. They're heavy duty mesh bags for towels. I use the white ones for exterior, the black ones for interior, keep them all separated. Those are awesome. And more towels. Now, there is a trick with ordering these. Sometimes the towels are crappy, and I think it's because they get passed through inspection, and sometimes the towels are garbage. So what I do is I take one out and I test it. Oh, this is nice though. This is nice. Okay, good. So these pass. They're still heavier weight. They still feel really good. Okay, good. That's great. Oh, look at that. Good. Quality control. They did things correctly. Thank you. Always use plenty of those towels. What else did we get? Oh, my wife got an eye watch, so I got a band for her. Oh yes, this goes to my gimbal. So this little guy here, the Vimbal 2S, this is to connect my GoPro to it. I'll do that later. And what else? What is this? Door handles. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. I'm going to install these. Okay. That made a big mess. All right, so I'm going to install these today. This is what I needed. So these will go here. So I bought this little plastic one, and this was garbage. It snapped right off because I was in some really windy areas, and it just kept pressing against it, and it broke it. These are metal, and they're spring-loaded. Oh, that's nice. So I'm probably going to switch it. I'll put this one here, and I'll put the other metal one on this side, and it'll lock in place. So the cool thing about this, it comes with this nice like plastic grommet, and yeah, these lock. So once I put it in here, it's not going anywhere. Like I have to press it and push it in to make it do that. That's perfect. Okay, great. I'm going to install these today. I was going to get ones for these doors, but it's really hard to get in there and get large enough metal ones to work. These are about 4 inches, and I would have to measure and get all the way down here, and I don't want that to mess anything up. So I just bungee it down. That's actually good enough. But here I definitely want something else, because to bungee it like this is just annoying. So that's going to be a nice upgrade. That was a little unboxing video for you guys. Now I got to go eat lunch. All right, see ya.